Welcome to Business Venture Exchange Africa, powered by IAZ. I'm Faith Chitulangoma and very excited to be here at the Insurance Conference 2017, right on the backdrop of the Zambezi River, and we're here in Livingstone, Zambia. We're privileged to have on the program today the Chief Executive Officer and Country Head for Metropolitan Life Zambia, Dr. Lovemore Gomera. Dr. Gomera, welcome to Business Venture Exchange.
Thank you, and thanks for having me.
Great. Now tell us, how has the conference been for you? We're into day 2 today. What are your remarks about the Insurance Conference for 2017?
Thank you, Faith. I must say that this year's conference has been very, very good. I think the attendance has been actually increased from last year, and the topics that are being discussed are really relevant to what's happening now. And the theme that we have, bouncing back from hard times, is actually apt for this conference. And in terms of the content to the delegates, you must actually understand that the insurance has suffered quite a bit from last year in terms of the low premium income that has been raked in. New business has been difficult because of inflation and the unstable of our kwacha. But thank God, 2017 is looking promising, and we are really excited that this conference is happening at this time.
All right. What is important to you as insurance industry players on the market at the moment?
I must say that there is a lot of innovation that a lot of companies are actually coming up with. I mean, I must say that in terms of reach out to the populace of Zambia, our penetration ratio is very, very low. And every company is actually trying to use technology, for instance, in terms of reach out, in terms of expanding the distribution channels, and also using bank assurance in certain instances, mobile technology as well. This is on to get to the consumers. I mean, our consumers in Zambia in particular are not really enlightened on the benefits of insurance. And I must say that with a bit of education, you find that the take-up will actually increase, which is good for business, but also good for the populace, because then it also alleviates some of the poverty problems that we actually have as a country.
Dr. Gomera, you've worked in the South African market, Tanzania, and of course now Zambia, but originally from Zimbabwe. Give us a regional perspective of what insurance is like and how it's appreciated across the region.
So I must say that I worked quite for a number of years in Zimbabwe, and the Zimbabwean market compared to the region, I think, has been a bit stronger until recently, when the economy then had turned into a meltdown. But compared to the Zambian market has actually come a long way in terms of the way the business is actually transacted. I was quite thrilled in terms of the regulatory approach that the Commissioner is actually taking in order to embrace the consumer needs and protect the consumer policyholders, as it were. And in terms of the products that are being churned out, they're not so different from the region, really. I was in Tanzania, yes. The low penetration that is affecting Africa is also there, but I think the opportunities that Zambia presents to the insurance market are vast. There is a lot of projects that are happening in Zambia, a lot of FDI coming in. I must say that there's goodwill from investors that are coming to Zambia because of the stable economic environment that we're in. You might call it, we do have a bit of problems here and there, but I can tell you, compared to other regions, Zambia has got a stable political and economic environment, and we must take pride and actually take advantage of that and be able to develop this industry. And I too believe that we can, and there's opportunities in there.
Fantastic. Now, Dr. Gomera, as we come to the end of the interview, we're talking about bouncing back from hard times. What does Metropolitan Life have? What card do they have in the bag that we need to pull out and bounce back from the hard times?
Faith, I will speak to that, but I would want to invite you or the other audience that might be listening today to come to our offices and actually experience what I'm talking about. We're excited as a company. We do have solutions to our consumers. I think for us, the customer is king. So customer centricity becomes key. We are actually coming up with products that give solutions to our customers, first and foremost. We can only bounce back from the hard times if the consumers appreciate the product that we have, if we are delivering value to the consumers. So in terms of that, we do have quite interesting products that are coming on the bank assurance. We also have quite exciting products that are coming on the mobile. So watch the space. We'll be churning out very, very value-adding products to our consumers in Zambia.
Thank you, Dr. Gomera.
Thank
We're
you.
right behind you.
Yeah, thank you a lot. Yeah.
Thank you very much. We had the Chief Executive Officer and Country Head for Metropolitan Life Zambia, Dr. Lovemore Gomera, and he's chatting with us here on Business Venture Exchange Africa, brought to you by IAZ. We're here in Livingston at the Insurance Conference 2017. I'm Faith Chilangoma. Thank you for watching.